try maybe. I don't know. It actually kind of looks better.
Hello. Oh, I did get the vaccine a while ago, but a lot of the footage is like gone. I don't know where it went. I think I accidentally deleted it. I wanted to say that I'm just really thankful and grateful for being able to get the vaccine, and it was actually really quick and painless, so it wasn't that bad. And that was it. I don't even know what I said that day. I don't know. It was like an update just to let you guys know what's happening right now. So okay, hope you guys like the vlog. We're at IKEA. Where are we going? Whoa! We're at IKEA because it's like a spontaneous trip here.
What was this thing?
What?
You're in a hotel.
Yeah. Whoa. I have this hair mousse.
Oh, snakes and anacondas.
Oh my gosh, polar bear. I know, I can't betray sushi.
Yes.
I kind of want this.
This is,
Really?
That's really crap. It's
Morocco's
$8.
I was expecting a lot.
Look, it's Morocco's ladybug.
What is it? Oh, it's so cute.
Can I get this one or this is a display?
Take a picture of the tag.
What the heck? That's the one thing we do.
Whoa. Hold why are you standing like that? We did it!
Yes.
Wait, let's see the thing.
Yeah, let's see our hood.
What is this?
It's like the beginning half.
Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna show you these products while I get ready, cause these are like. Oh, also, let me show you the contacts I'm wearing. I don't like doing this all the time because I don't think I'm gonna go out, but I like doing makeup. I'm wearing this one from Olens. It's their smoky, the Russian smoky and gray. There's this brand called Merit. They sent this to me, so thank you very much. They're like this really clean like makeup brand, and they're focused on like minimal makeup. And when I heard that, I was like, oh my gosh. I already tried this before, so I can give you like honest opinions on like the wear of it. So this is their Perfecting Complexion Stick. It's supposed to be like a concealer and a foundation at the same time. This one is in silk. When I heard that, I was really excited. Honestly, I don't think I really like this like as much. Like it's kind of too dry for my skin, but like this matches me pretty well. Let's see the nose bridge, just like a highlight. Oh, I'm gonna show you the brow pomade. It's called Brown 1980. This color is in brown. This one, like, you can't really see the product, but it does give your brows like a little tint, which I like, because my brows, I don't like doing my brows, because if I do them, they look like too thick. And then I'm gonna put on this highlighting stick. This color's in Canva. On the tip of my nose. Oh, then on my Cupid's bow. This is their blush. I actually kind of like their blush. This color's in Raspberry Beret. Raspberry Beret. This is what it looks like. It looks like a color I wouldn't use, but when you apply it, it looks like I'm like, this is like the color of my natural blush. I'm gonna do like my eye makeup, and then I'll show you the other products. I did eye makeup, and I'm gonna show you the mascara. This is their Clean Lash. Surprisingly, when I was using this, it didn't transfer onto like my skin. It's not clumpy, and the only thing that I didn't really like is that it drags my Asian lashes down. Like, it doesn't keep it up, so I'll probably only use this for like my lower lashes. There is eye makeup. Maybe I'll curl it again after it dries so it could stay longer. Okay, so for lips, I have two lip colors, but they're basically the same. I would just get one. Here is Marrakesh. It's really pretty. It's like a brown tone pink, and I love those. And then this one is Pink Beat. This one's like a white pigmented pink. Like, they're like, if you look from far away, like they're basically the same. Anyways, these are lip oils, and they're actually really pigmented for lip oils. They're not really moisturizing. Like, I still have dry skin after it's like gone. What I've been doing lately is getting like a nude color lip product. This one is an intense butter gloss from NYX. It's called Peanut Brittle. Okay, so I apply it on like the outer part of my lips and then I blend it out with my finger. The products I would recommend is the blush and like the lip oil. And since it's a lip oil, I probably wouldn't wear it much. I'll probably just wear it like around the house, but see, it gives like a really nice gradient. I like that. I can't tell if it's filming or not. Is it going? Yeah.
It's like a
The world of it.
I've seen those people.
No.
Wow, Ate's driving.
Oh, wrong one. Do you want anything? Abigail wants ice cream. Which way again? Right, left? Right? Right.
Hey fam! Is it recording?
Yeah, it should be. Is it?
Hey fam!
Oh my gosh.
Look at Ate driving. Is that
Whoa,
even in frame?
How do you keep your... The rare occasion... Ooh, hello guys.
Driving.
I mean driving.
It's a rare occurrence.
What did you do, Abigail? You pressed
I pressed the bass. Good. Lots of bass.
The bass?
Good.
We never even used
bass.
it.
I maxed the bass out on my Alexa.
Seriously?
And I was like, Alexa, turn up the bass. And like, the bass is already up. I'm like, are you kidding me? That's not enough. I like a lot of bass in my songs.
Ooh.
Why isn't it staying?
I don't know what you did, Abigail.
Fix that.
We are going to Kroger because Abigail wants ice cream.
Ew.
Can you believe it? It took us like 50 minutes to walk. And
Yeah.
it's like only like 5 minutes to get out of here. Is that crazy? It does not seem that long.
When we're walking, it's probably like less than a mile.
Yeah, we're like so slow. Oh, pretty sky.
Whoa! It's a pretty fam. Look at this.
Skies like this remind me of Spirited Away.
Look at the sky.
Gosh.
Okay, fam. Look at the sky. Why does it look more better in person?
I don't know.
Wait,
it's
actually, it
hard
kind of looks better in here.
Really?
I think it depends on the
You just said
aesthetic.
the opposite thing.
Oh, there's Kroger over there. There's Ate driving. How do I zoom up on here again? Oh.
Yeah.
Why isn't it focusing?
I don't know.
Hello? Okay.
There we go.
Is it good? Why no focus? What are you doing? Oh, it's focusing on the window. Don't focus on the window. Okay, it's just me going, right?
I got to focus. What are you doing? I'm staying in the car because I don't want to go outside. But it's 8:13 right now, and the sky is really pretty. Here, I'll show you my playlist while we wait for Abigail. Guys, I have to show you this. For March, I got 41 songs in that playlist. Getting a lot of songs in my playlist is so satisfying. And then for this month, I have 33 right now. Anyways, I'll show you a couple that I like from this month. This one is from Red Velvet. It's called Time to Love. I'll play a little bit. A good song. Okay, I'll show you a different one. Okay, this one I liked earlier in the month. Now I don't listen to it as much. It's Lilac from IU. It's really like 80s Japanese pop. That's what it reminds me of. Turn off the clock. This one is Wendy's Like Water. I love the meaning. It's just like, there's just like so much meaning to it. Like all over like her whole entire album. So that's why I really love it. I love this song. The next song, this one, I used it like 2 times on my TikTok. Like, TikTok is just so embarrassing. I don't know why. Like, to make TikToks, it's like, it's embarrassing for me. So I try not to do it, but it's like fun to do at the same time. Anyways, so this song is from Weekly. It's called After School. Those are like my favorite songs for this month so far. Oh my gosh, guys, it's already the 20th. I just looked at the count. I didn't even realize. We're like almost done with April. Yeah, that is my songs and playlist and part of my playlist for this month. I'll see you later, guys. It's a new day today. I don't know if you guys could tell, but for the past couple weeks, my videos have been kind of like, I haven't been inspired to, I have not had any inspiration. So like, I don't know, you could probably tell in my videos and like the thumbnails especially. I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys don't mind. I'll try to have better quality content. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope you guys have a good day.